Hello, welcome to today's Music Monday. I want to have a quick look at secondary dominant chords and what are they? How can they help you in your composing? Because basically they give you an additional 5 chords to compose with that will probably fit really well. And you don't really have to worry about picking the right chord. It's all pretty much done for you. I'll show you what they are and then I'll show you how you work them out. And maybe we'll have a listen to a couple of examples. So if we take the regular C major scale, the chords we are going to end up with, the diatonic triad chords, are C, D minor, E minor, F, G, A and B diminished. Now, each of these notes, if you were playing in the actual key, have a dominant chord associated with them. So for C, the dominant chord is G. So that's not a secondary dominant, that is the dominant of C. But if we think we are composing in C, what is the dominant of D? Well, it's A. The dominant of E minor is B, F is C, G is D, and A is E. Nice and easy. So if you've got your list of secondary dominant chords and you were trying to work some stuff out, you would write down your diatonic chords, E minor, F, G, A, and B diminished. And then you would say, right, so if it's a secondary dominant, G doesn't really count. So we put that in brackets. What's the fifth of D? A. And then this is going to go up note by note. So the fifth of F is C, B, D, and the fifth of E is A. We don't worry about diminished because that doesn't have the dominant in it. And that's it. That's all there is to secondary dominants. It's just then choosing which ones you want to use, but you'll tend to find that they all work quite well. So if we start on C, we could go to D major because it's the secondary dominant of G. And then maybe to E minor. Let's try another one. Let's go from C to B major. E minor again maybe. The A. G. We could start, I don't know, going straight to E minor, to A major, E major. So I hope you get the idea there. You know what your diatonic triads are. I've done another video on what a dominant chord is, and it's basically because it has a pull back to the tonic, and therefore any of these sort of borrowed chords, as they are also known, is a great way to add variation to the chords that you are composing with. So there you go, secondary dominants, a really nice sounding set of additional chords that you can add into your composing, whatever key you are in. I hope you found that interesting. Like and subscribe is always appreciated. See you in the next video. Bye for now.